Alright everybody, I'm so excited to finally share with you my new Titan T-S5 Forged Wheels installed on my Kia EV6. I could not be happier with these wheels. I'm going to show you them from all kinds of different angles so you can really get a feel for how they look and fit on the EV6. You'll remember from my unboxing video that these are prototype EV6 wheels they're looking at producing for us, so be sure to leave a comment with what you think of the wheels. Personally, I love this design, the spoke layout, how concave they are. They just look incredible. These wheels are 19 by 8.5 inches with a 40mm offset, which I think is just perfect for our platform. A lot of wheels out there are 8.5 inches wide with a 35mm offset, so they'd stick out 5mm further, which isn't much, but I think this fitment is perfect. It's aggressive, but not too aggressive. Now, I've had these wheels installed a couple weeks now, and I've put around 500 miles on them, and they've been working great. There's no rubbing or anything like that. And since these are forged wheels, they're over 35% lighter than the stock wheels too. Remember in my unboxing video, I weighed them and compared them to the stock wheels, and they came in at just 20.2 pounds versus 31.8 pounds for the stock wheels. That's a pretty big drop in weight, which is especially impressive considering they're an inch wider than stock too. And that reduction in unsprung weight, combined with a slightly wider wheel and more aggressive offset, means a wider stance, better handling. It definitely feels more planted in turns, which is nice. It also seems like it may be a little bit faster in a straight line, but I'll have to test the acceleration to see that. Speaking of tests, I just did an efficiency test with these wheels to compare to the test I did with the stock wheels a few weeks ago that you are not going to want to miss. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. I think a lot of people are going to be surprised with the outcome there. But just look at these wheels. I'm a big fan of black wheels, and I think these strike a really nice balance on the finish. Not too flat, but also not glossy. The center caps fit perfectly and look good too. The lug nuts add a nice unique feel, and remember those are the lightweight titanium ones with the sides that are machined to reduce weight, which is really nice to have. One tip for you guys, I did get the wheels installed at a local discount tire, and they didn't have black wheel weights, which when you have black wheels, you want to have black wheel weights. So if that ever happens to you, you can get a big black Sharpie Pro from Lowe's or Home Depot, and you can color in the wheel weights with the Sharpie, and it actually looks pretty decent, not noticeable at all. Now, I know what some of you are thinking, and I'm right there with you. The car needs to be lowered. I haven't fully decided the route I'm going to go there. I may do it after winter. We'll see, but it's likely something that will happen down the road. So, just FYI. Just want to give you guys a few more views of the wheels here. So anyway, like I said, let me know what you guys think of the wheels in the comment section, and let me know if you have any questions on them. I'll be glad to answer any questions you have. If you haven't watched the video where I do the unboxing, the information about the wheels and why I chose these in particular, and where I compare the weight to the stock wheels, check out that video. Stay tuned for that efficiency test I mentioned as well, comparing these wheels to the stock wheels on the highway. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.